Well, I tell you what, I'm spooked now. Seeing me bike like this. Just took the forks out, ready to get the seals replaced. One was leaking. But oh dear, looking at me bike like this and thinking, am I ever going to get that back together? I know I'm a keen DIY, but sometimes I scare myself. Just got to get them cleaned up, then off to the suspension guy. Followed a great video on YouTube on how to take them out. Really excellent. I can't really add anything more to it, to be honest. It was a really good video. I'll put a link in the description. All came out reasonably easy. Just I don't know, it just looks so scary, doesn't it? The only issue I really had was getting the forks out between the clamps. I had to really tap them to get them out. They were pretty well stuck. But I tell you what, I'm surprised that I'm not going to zoom in on my calipers because they look an absolute mess. The pads, and I only replaced them last winter, but my God, those late autumn rides, hell of a state. So yeah, you know, I hate to say it like this, but if you work on your own bike, it's just what you got to do, I suppose. My bike bench really helped, being able to tie down the back end there and just chucked up the front under the motor, bits of wood and a jack. But yeah, not a pleasant job. I'll be glad when it's all done. Okie doke, I'll catch up with you later. Bye.